The computer system, Group 4. The computer system is made out of many parts and components, many with different sizes, but without these important components, it is impossible for a computer system to work. Compared to the body, there are many different body parts, systems, and organs, and most importantly, without them, the human body cannot function normally. Speaking of important, there is a main, rather more sophisticated component of the computer system called the CPU, but in order to make a comparison to the CPU, we first need to know what it is. The CPU, aka Central Processing Unit, aka the brains of the computer, is a processor inside the computer that is responsible for executing sequences and stored information and data. From this process, the CPU will take all inputs from all input devices all around the computer in some way and output all results to an output device. On the other hand, the brain in the human body coordinates the center of sensation and intellectual nervous activity in the human body. The brain is also in charge of intellectual capacity in the human body and holds memories. In other words, it is very important. So what exactly is the comparison being made here? It's pretty simple. There's a clear connection between the brain and CPU. In basic, the brain holds important information and memory whilst controlling the human body, much like the CPU is in charge of handling all the data in one computer system.
The keyboard is compared to the mouse because it can say and type up some words like what I'm doing right now. The keyboard can undo the words from what is typing up, while the mouse also does the same, but sometimes have stutters. It can also give some effort of the ears of words and thought in the mind. The keyboard is like a book-sized board that you can write in, but on a flat screen to do it.
The motherboard. The motherboard is like the heart. The heart is around the body system. So in turn, the motherboard is also the center of the computer system. If the motherboard, however, fails, then the computer system will also fail. This is why the motherboard is the center of everything.
The monitor. The monitor is a component of the computer system that allows the user of the computer to see what they are doing and using. It is a vital part of the computer because without the monitor, the whole computer becomes a useless box filled with wires and buttons. Our group has compared this component with the eyes of a human because of the similarities they both hold within each other. Just like your eyes, the monitor is a vital part of the whole system and allows you to see what you are doing and when you are doing it. Without the monitor, the user will not be able to view what he is doing. Same goes for the eyes. Without eyes, you cannot see anything that is happening or occurring around you. However, with a monitor, you are able to see and productively use your computer with no limitations.